In this video, we are going to see how we can add the line numbers automatically in Microsoft Word. And it's very simple to do. So let's get started. So let's say that you want to write some random text, and on each line, a line number of 1, 2, 3, according to each line should show up. So what we can do is just go to the layout tab, and here we see this option right here, line numbers. Just go in here and set it to continuous. You can also restart for each separate page. So let's say the next page is starting and the line numbers should show from 1, 2 onwards. So let's hit continuous first. So it's 1 now, and let's enter some random text. As soon as we go on the second line, it will show the counting of 2, and same goes for all the text. But if we want to reset it on the next page, like let's say we don't want to continue the numbers like this one. So from 45, 46, and it's continuing this series. So we don't want to do that. So what we can do here is just set to reset or restart at each page. And so now it's starting from 1. Same goes for restart on each section. That is basically a paragraph. So it will automatically reset the line numbering. We can also suppress the current paragraph. So let's say if you want to reduce the size of it and you want to make some other changes, you can do that. Line numbering options, just go in here and we can set to the alignment based on the center alignment, justified bottom. So these are different styles that you can try out for the layout adjustment. So this is the pretty straightforward process here on how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.